conference, but we invited some young to come. So, I think you can come.
Because you were flag.
So the two of you can sit.
You're
here.
carrying the flag of God. And if you don't live in that line, if you don't follow the principles of God, how do you expect the people under you to do so? How are you going to disciple men
abantu abasaada ojja kubabuulira otya
when you're fornicating,
ng'ate iwe oli mu pimpizi,
when you don't love the people around you,
era nga toyenda abantu abakwetoolwire tobenda,
when you can't even give someone the chance to come and talk to you
Yeah.
and tell you about their problem?
era nga towanamwagaanya abantu abakwetoolwire okuyitayo oli okukukobera ebizibu byaibwe.
Yesterday we had a question,
Olwaliro twabaire n'ekibuuzo,
and a gentleman asked if I was a pastor,
era yabaire yeyabuuziza nti singa nali musumba
and I'm still struggling with fornication,
naaba nga ate nkaatowaanizibwa n'ekizibu ekyokukwana oba okwenda,
how would I approach a fellow pastor to talk to them?
najja ntya eri omusumba munange okumukobera ekizibu ekyo?
What does that show you?
Ekyo kikulaga ki?
That everyone is struggling with something,
Kiraga nti na buli muntu ali ku n'ekintu kyali kulafaana nakyo.
but are you willing to give them an audience
Ayi oli mumalirivu okubawaaku
so that you can
emukisa,
counsel them,
osobola okuba nga obalambira,
pray with them,
osabira wala nabo,
and help them grow?
era obayamba okula,
Because learning has never ended.
kubanga okwega tikukoma.
We learn until we die.
Twega paka nga bwe tufa.
That is why when Pastor Ronald is teaching,
Ensonga lwaki wemba ndi kusomesa,
and we all contribute,
era tuna twaba nga tubaako ne kye twongereza ku byasomesa.
you're not the only one who learns from him.
Oyo asobola okwega okuva
He
yendi,
also learns from.
zeena mbandege okuva yali.
Are we together?
Tuli walala.
So I want us to reflect on that.
So alikwenda tube nga tulinga ku nsonga oti neeyo,
Being the light of the world
okuba ekitangaala ekyensi
makes us stand out.
kitufuula ab'endawulo tukyuka.
Not just because we are men,
Tulwakuba nti tuli basaada,
but we are men who walk with God.
naye tuli basaada abatambula ne Katonda.
Which means we have to live like Christ.
N'olwekyo kitegeeza nti tuteekwa okuba mu bulamu obulinga obwa Yesu.
And when we walk with Christ,
Bwe tutambula ne Yesu,
we have to leave the baggage behind.
era tuteekwa okuleka emigugu einuma.
Which kind of baggage am I talking about?
Migugu ki gyali kwogerako?
Our culture.
Ennono daife ed'ebika.
The culture that does not glorify God.
Naddala ennono ediba nga tidigulumiza liina lya Katonda.
Because there is no way in the Bible where you see that a man is allowed to fornicate.
Okay. Thank you.
There is no way in the
Wazira
Bible.
Bayibuli weekoma nti omuntu ayikirizibwa okuboneka nti ayenda.
You're not even allowed to touch the funds of the church.
Toyikirizibwa na kugema ku bantu b'omu kanisa.
What does Jesus preach?
Yesu Kristo asomesa